Well, if we're talking Vince Friese, we're talking some drama. And this happened today, I guess, as you want to say, or yesterday, whenever you're watching this in the past, at the Abu Dhabi World Supercross event, or round two, whatever you want to call it, from that right there. And that's not it. Apparently, there was more over the night, but coming up is going to be the interview he had, and I'm going to let you listen to that, and then I'll be back.
How do you mentally keep it together, and how were you able to round out the podium here with that much pressure?
Yeah, I mean, that was a blast for me. It was unfortunate. I think I caught a rock on my front brake in that last one, and it snagged landing this triple and I went down. But, man, I was having a blast. That's fun. Nobody's hurting anybody. Nobody's T-boning anybody. We're racing hard on a track, on an arena cross track. That's what you got to do.
Continuing on, he did say that Dean Wilson was a whiner and that they'll toughen him up. But Dustin Pipes also did on Twitter say, quote, "I have a lot of respect for what Mike Genova and Tony Lessie have built Motor Concepts into. They've won races, had multiple podiums, built great bikes, and have a clean look and a great staff. It takes a lot of work, sacrifice, and money to achieve those things. But it's disappointing they continue to support and defend Vince Friese. He doesn't race safely and hasn't for 15 years. He routinely puts other competitors in unnecessary harm and is a danger to everyone he's racing. Takeouts, track cutting, cross jumping, brake checking, swerving in straightaways. Just a normal night for Friese tonight. Enough is enough." Apparently, that crash, the Dean Wilson thing, he waited like 7 laps or something to pass Friese because every single corner he was looking back, Friese was looking back, brake checking, slowing everybody up, just creating, a train of whatever. And then he finally gets past him 2 laps or 2 corners past that and gets taken out. And it is every single time you hear from Friese, it's just stupidity. He's taking out somebody here, he's cutting the track there, he's doing something stupid one way or another. And I did read this, it makes sense, it makes true that until this actually affects MCR or Moto Concepts Honda in the pocketbook, who cares? For them it's PR and it's fine and it doesn't hurt them anyway. So until that actually happens, he's going to keep racing for him. But comments below, you tell me. Did you watch this? Did you find it on YouTube somewhere or whatever? Did you enjoy it? Are you excited for the next couple rounds or whatever it's going to be? And I guess also, are you a Vince Friese fan? And if so, why? But comments below, tell me whatever you think. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.